This video is a step-by-step guide to creating a new reservation in Vacation Creations. From the home screen, you can click on the icon right here, and it will bring up a list of your current reservations, or you can click to add a new one. You can also do it here at the drop-down. So plus to add a new reservation. When you go to the customer field, it will show all of your customers here, or you can just start to type, and it will bring up the customer that you're looking for. Put in the reservation number, and then any special offers that they might have you can put here. There's a bounce back. And for the reservation name, I typically put the last name, perhaps where they're going, the date of when they're traveling, and maybe something else about it. This particular one happens to be a solo trip. It's for Run Disney, so I'll just make note of it there. No celebrations, but you could add them. And then any notes about the celebration. This will show the date that it's booked into Vacation Creations, and it will be locked. The check-in date you put here. You can use the drop down. You can also, I'm going to do that, but then I can click here, whoops, to add the year. And she is checking in on the 4th, and then she is checking out on the 10th of January. Total reservation cost. And then the total commission that comes in for the agency will go right here. And then it will factor in over here what the agent will get depending on what they make with the agency. There are other checkboxes or sliders you can use here. Perhaps this reservation's a surprise for someone. You could mark that. Maybe it's personal travel that you want to track. Also, if you have another agent in the agency that perhaps is going to work on the trip with you, you can click here, add that other agent, and then they will also see this reservation in their list. Here's where you're going to put in the product, destination where they're going, putting in the resort, and then the room category, and how many days of tickets they have, the types of ticket that it is, per hopper. You can also add dining options here, perhaps add on if they have Memory Maker. You can click that here. Any transportation you want to remember for them, perhaps these folks or this lady is going to drive, so I'll mark that there. If you use an itinerary builder and you want to put the link in here, you can do that and use merge tags to send that link out in an auto email. Don't forget to hit save. And then once you hit save, you can go in and see any tasks that your agency has set for Disney World or destinations here. You can also link to another reservation. You can mark all their payment information here. You can also see the travelers, mark who's traveling. Like I said, in this case, it's a solo trip, so I'll just mark Olivia. You can put in their flight information, any dining information here to access quickly, notes. If you have any phone calls about the trip, it's really nice because it will time and date stamp it when you make a call about it. Here is where it will show the agent payment information once commission is earned. You can also have attachments here as well as any email actions if you have auto emails set up inside a reservation. Always don't forget to hit save. You can also double check to see any tasks that there might be, getting their My Disney experience set up, when the deposit is due, and have they signed your client agreement. Of course, your agency might have other timeline tasks that they add here. You can also add your own. Click here to add a task, the date that you want it due, the priority of that task, and any notes.